Hey gents, we're back again. I hope that you guys are having a good day so far. Um, I'm so sorry about period homeroom this morning. I had a video ready with my instructions and my welcome ready to show you on the page, but it was not uploading for some weird reason. So I apologize for that. Thank you to everyone that logged on time this morning at 8:40 and were asking questions via the blog. That's awesome. You just got on with it, and that was fantastic. So great work, guys. Let's just do that every day. um, the video is now there that I recorded for you guys to have a look at. So I would encourage you to do that at some stage today, maybe even in this period for PSL. I'll show you what to do. You just go back to our homepage, click Year 7 Homeroom, and you will see here a video that I've put welcoming you back to the term and just giving you some instructions for homeroom every day. I talk about a few expectations for this term, so please have a watch of that. Okay, watch the whole thing. I know it goes for a little while, but please watch it at some stage today in this period, ideally, if you can. All right. For this period, obviously, we go to period 3, Year 7 Personal Social Learning, and this is what you find. Okay, so gentlemen, like all your other periods, first thing you do is you tick your attendance for the day. Okay, again, please ignore that it says week 2. It really is week 1. We're just not able to change that. The date does rectify that it is week 1 though. All right, so do that for me. The second thing I need you to do, as explained in my homeroom video this morning, when you get to see it, I need people to do their character strength survey. A lot of you haven't done it yet, which you were supposed to do over the break. So I'm not sure if you didn't get that message, but that was an expectation that Mr. May put out. So please do that in this period. Okay, all you need to do is you click on that and it tells you exactly what you need to do. Okay, very straightforward, and then you upload your submission here. Okay, going back to our page, oopsies, not that one. I've noticed that there's some people that uploaded their character strength survey to the homeroom page instead of the PSL page. If you've done that, can you please just upload it here again? Okay, upload it here again because they all need to be stored on this page. Okay, if it's possible for you to delete the ones that you put on the homeroom page, do that. If not, don't stress. Just make sure they end up here. Okay, gentlemen, this period is going to be pretty laid back, pretty chilled for our first lesson back. What I want to do though, I want to give you guys the opportunity to use this period to just organize yourselves for the week. Okay, put in your subjects for the week, put in any due dates, any reminders. Okay, chat to each other about things that you're not sure about, and to ask me questions. Okay, I'm here for this whole period. Again, we are communicating via the blog up here. Okay, so all you need to do is add a question, and I will try and answer that as quickly and as best as I can. Okay, there are also a few students that haven't done their work habits assessment for this subject. So can you please do that? We've got 23 out of 28 that have done it. There's still 5 yet to do it. Okay. So that's what I'd say, gents, for this period. Use this period to watch my video on the homeroom page, to do your character strength survey, to do your work habits, to organize yourselves for the week, okay, and to ask me any questions. All right. Do that for me. And what I'd also like to know, gentlemen, I'm going to create a new blog on here. I'm going to call it Holidays in Isolation. And I just want everyone in this period, if you get time, if not, do it tonight, to just share with me your experience of the holidays. What were they like? You might want to talk about what you did to keep up your exercise, your healthy eating, your prayer or meditation, your contact with your friends and with your family. Tell us what it was like for you. Be honest, be respectful, obviously, in everything you write. But I'd like to know what it was like. It's important for us to share our stories, okay? We are in this together. Even though we're physically isolated, we're not socially isolated. We can still connect with each other, and it's so important to do so to stay mentally well and to stay positive through this time. Okay, so please, that is the sixth thing I want you to do. I'm going to create a blog called Holidays in Isolation, and each one of you needs to share an experience of their holidays. Okay, or if you want to also share a worry that you have for the term coming up, could be in regards to anything, feel free to share that as well. And I'll try. I'm not a doctor or counselor or anything like that, but I'll try to give you some tips and strategies and advice if you need that too. Okay, so all that can be done in this period. I'm going to shut up now and I'm going to let you get to it. All right, thanks, boys. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, for homeroom. Well, I won't see you. I'm not going to do another video, but I will meet you on the blog at 8:40. Okay. Thanks, boys. Ciao.